Let's just be realistic. As a technician, we've all done this and been super frustrated. We have a problem on a car, we Google it, right? And it brings us to these awesome forum posts that are specific to those vehicles, right? Like, I'm gonna make one up, BMW forum, whatever. And you have this car, you see the code, you're like, yes, cool, I can follow this thread and find the problem. And you go down the thread only to find out it's 10 years old and nobody has updated, and the only reason it popped up is because some guy brought back a thread and it went nowhere and it's saying the same thing. Did you ever get this fixed? So you end up doing this over and over and over again, and it's super frustrating. And then you're just like, why can't there just be one place I can go to? And there is. It's Identifix. Identifix not only has service manuals, which I am a huge proponent of. Not only do you have access to the service manuals, but you can see other shops dealing with it and follow along with what was tested. The beauty is that one resource for all of those things.